What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are starting a brand new series, 0 to 10K. Okay, brand new opportunity, brand new way to make money online, guys. And I want to start this out step by step, showing you everything that it takes to go from nothing online to making your first $10,000 online. And I will show you exactly how easy it is. But I'm going to let my boy Josh tell you exactly how it's going to go down step by step, so you can see, really, guys, how easy this is. All you have to do is click a couple buttons and you're going to see how easy it is. So I'm going to pass it over to Josh, let him explain everything that you need to do step by step, and I'll see you at the end of this video, guys.
All right, guys, welcome to this 0 to 10K case study of how to go from nothing to generating $10,000 per month consistently online. Now, just because I'm doing this, obviously as a disclaimer, there's no guarantee that you're going to be able to do this, but I'm about to show you a formula that's allowed me just in the past 11 days roughly, go from zero in this affiliate account to generating over $18,000. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to model and even copy this exact formula for you and your affiliate marketing business. So regardless if you're somebody that's brand new, regardless if you're experienced, do not worry, because I'm going to allow you to copy everything in my business to generate results just like this. You're going to be able to copy my YouTube videos. We're going to help you set up a YouTube account. You're going to be able to copy my emails. You're going to be able to promote the exact same products that I'm promoting and everything in between. And if you're willing to stick with me for the next year, you're going to see drastic transformation in your life and in your business. This is something that I've never done before, and you are the first that's going to get access to this formula here on my YouTube channel. So all you're going to need to do is follow video by video, day by day. This is the first video of this specific sequence. It will be added to a playlist where you're going to be able to get access to this playlist later by simply going to my YouTube homepage. You can also go to the playlist section and you will see this 0 to 10K case study playlist available. Obviously, it's not available yet because, I'm creating the video for you guys right now. But nonetheless, all you got to do is follow each and every video every single day. So to avoid having you, come back to my channel every single day, all you need to do is click the red subscribe button and also tick the bell icon below this video. So then you're notified by email every time I upload a brand new video. And again, we're going to be uploading daily videos showing you this entire formula in complete detail. Again, you're going to copy everything that I'm doing. You're going to copy the email sequences. You're going to copy the YouTube videos. You're going to copy all my traffic sources, which for this sequence, the primary traffic source will be, in fact, YouTube. You don't need to show your face whatsoever. Again, you're going to be copying my exact content. I'm going to show you how to optimize that content. I'm going to show you how to get views to that content. This content will be Creative Commons content. And once you start getting your first 1,000, 2,000, up to 10,000 subscribers, if you choose to do so, it's completely up to you. You can begin creating your own videos and your own content, which I will also show you how to do. Now, there's two specific products right now for this sequence that you're going to need. The first one is known as the All-in-One Digital Business Academy, okay? And if we go back here, you can see it just took us directly to the checkout page. All you need to do is go to step 1 in the description and go ahead and grab this product, because what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be promoting this very product here, and you're going to be able to generate 80% commissions, actually up to $800 per sell with this specific product and their ecosystem and their product line within the members area. So that is step number 1 to complete this 0 to 10K per month case study. The second product that you're going to need is My Lead Gen Secret, because what we're going to be doing, if we go ahead and we log into the members area here, each and every single day, this is going to give us 100 leads. So for example, by day 5, we're going to have 500 leads. You're going to use my done for you email swipes that I have right here. You're going to go ahead and you're going to load them into the software, and you're going to send these emails out daily. Okay, so you're going to start generating results and sales through My Lead Gen Secret, as well as the automated YouTube channel, copying my content. Those are two different traffic streams and income streams that you're going to be able to leverage right out of the gate. And then we're going to begin building on top of that. So again, all you need to do is follow these videos step by step and click by click. Go to my YouTube channel every single day, watch the next video in the playlist series, 0 to 10K, and complete the on-screen instructions. So all you need to do as far as homework within this video is go ahead, join My Lead Gen Secret, and also join the Home Business Academy. After you click that link below, you just saw that after 2 minutes, it took us straight to the checkout page. You're going to go ahead and check out. You're going to also log in to the All-in-One Digital Business Academy here. When you log in, I want to show you one other page. It's going to take you to the members area here. So this will be in step 3 below in the description. What you're going to do is you're going to sign up for the affiliate program right here. When you sign up for the affiliate program, it's going to take you to Samcart right here. As soon as you've signed up, you've created your account, you log into Samcart, you're going to see all of your referral links for the Digital Home Business Academy here. These links we will be loading up into our autoresponder series. We will also be placing these links below our YouTube videos. So you're going to be able to copy my YouTube videos. You're going to be able to replace my links in the description with your links, again, leveraging my content. So you're going to be able to copy the links that you have here. You're also going to be able to copy the links within My Lead Gen Secret. If we go to the affiliate area, you see the sales page, sizzle page. You have other affiliate links right here, just like you just saw on Samcart. So I'm going to show you which affiliate links to copy to put under your YouTube videos. There will be a specific Google Drive where I upload these videos as well, where you can simply just download them and upload them to your YouTube channel. Also, there's going to be like the Google Docs that's available to you to copy my email swipe. So you're going to have everything that you need in complete detail to succeed with this specific method. So what we're going to be doing in the next video is we're going to show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel. And then we're also going to upload our first video, and we're going to send out our first email in My Lead Gen Secret. So make sure that you complete the 3 steps below in the description. I look forward to seeing you in the next video tomorrow. Take care. Make sure you subscribe and tick the bell icon. Like this video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video, where we're finally going to start putting things in place so you can go from 0 to $10,000 per month online, leveraging the affiliate marketing business model.
All right, guys, now that you've seen the video, now that you see exactly what you need to do, go ahead and click that those steps down below. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. All right, let's get you started. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so we can get started in this series. I'm going to show you how to make money online, guys. This is really, really exciting. I hope you're just as excited as I am. This is going to be awesome, guys. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye for now.
Talk to you.